In this video, we are going to learn how to make a sketchbook. So the first step, you're going to need some paper. Printer paper would be preferred, but if you have lined paper or notebook paper, that'll work just as fine. A piece of construction paper, crayons or markers, materials of your choice. And also, I forgot to show you all a piece of string. You'll need some type of string or old shoestring to keep your sketchbook together. Now, the first step is we want to turn our paper from vertical to horizontal, and that's long ways from left to right. And then we're going to start by folding that paper in half by lining up the corners from top to bottom. Now, once you have those corners lined up, you are going to smooth your hand over that bulge to fold that paper down smoothly, just like I did there. And there you go. You have your paper folded in half. All right, almost kind of like a booklet. Next, we're going to take our piece of construction paper and we're going to do the same thing by folding it over, lining the top corner up with the bottom corner and doing the same step. Okay, and notice how I'm smoothing that paper out, smoothing it all the way down. All right, and then we're just going to take those pieces of paper and put it on the inside. And then we're going to open it up because we want to get ready to take our piece of string here. And we're going to take that piece of string and we are going to lay it down inside of our sketchbook, making sure that it's in the center of our paper along with our cover. And then we're just going to tie a knot to keep our sketchbook together. So we're just going to do the best that we can tying that knot. Now, once you have your knot tied, your sketchbook is complete. And now we're going to get ready to decorate the cover. Now that we've been learning all about lines, I want you to be sure to write your first name on the front cover of your sketchbook. And you are going to decorate your sketchbook using different types of lines. And that is all for today.